everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our latest 9-inch Android screen for a Mercedes ML that it came already with the navigation and all those features, except didn't have Android, and of course it didn't have Apple CarPlay. Right now we add our USB dongle and we did the Apple CarPlay. So my iPhone is connected to the Apple CarPlay, and we can control my phone from Apple CarPlay, and that's how it looks like at the back. So the screen came out and our screen went in. This is the latest one, which is Android 6 with 2 gig RAM and 32 gig hard. And as you can see, the latest version, it doesn't cover any part of the vent. Super clear. And we can go to Google Maps. This particular ML came with 360 camera, so it retains all the factory cameras. And by clicking on that Mercedes logo, we go back to the aftermarket mode. We can control the knob. With the knob we can control the menu, scroll left and right, and we can go back to the factory NTG command of the system as well. And by touching the screen, we go to the aftermarket mode. All the apps are here. Easy Connect, Auto Kit for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is there. By clicking on that, it goes to the Apple CarPlay. And we can play any video files too. Full screen, and it's full HD. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and we will be more than happy to help you out to get these units. Thank you and have a great day.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out?
No.
Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing? Justin, you didn't think you could get any better, huh?
Here we go.